Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm participating in the Spring Floral Challenge hosted by Lindsay of Doma Home and Heidi Sambal. The purpose of this challenge is to create something DIY using florals. I forgot to get a good shot of all the supplies you would need for this DIY, but here you can see you will need a letter, you will need flowers, and your choice of decoration for your letter. Here I chose to paint my letter white, but you could also use fabric or scrapbook paper, anything you would like. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and decorate your letter. I'm going ahead and painting mine white so I can let that dry. And as you can see here, I am not using the best brush for this project, but it was the only brush that I can find at the time, so I made it work. But go ahead and get your letter decorated so you can start adding your flowers. I am going in and just giving this a really quick coat of paint. I am not worried about seeing line marks. I actually prefer the line marks. I think it gives it a little bit more of a rustic feel, which is what I was going for. Once the paint is dry, ideally what I would have liked to have done is get some sandpaper and sand it down to give it a more rustic feel, but I did not have any sandpaper at the time. I may do that step later on. Now just go ahead and start adding your flowers. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You can add them all over the whole letter. You can add them just in one section like I'm doing. I'm adding them just to the top corner and the bottom corner. I forgot to mention this on the supplies needed, but as you can tell, I'm sure that you do need a hot glue gun and glue sticks for this project. I really did not have a plan for how I was going to put the flowers down. I just did it by eye. If I thought a flower needed to go there, I went ahead and stuck one. No right or wrong way to do it. I also haven't mentioned that I bought all of these flowers from the Dollar Tree. They came in a bundle of about 5 or 6 flowers on each bundle. I pulled them off of the stems, and that's how I'm using them on my project. I was inspired to make this project off of Pinterest. If you go on Pinterest and you search for floral letter, you will see so many examples of different styles of letters like this. And here's the final product. I love how it turned out. This was such a simple project. If you already have a letter on hand like I did, all you really need is just to buy flowers, which cost me $2. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you make something similar, make sure to tag me on Instagram so I can see. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone!